What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Miami at the nice beach location. And I have the pleasure of shooting with the amazing model, Barbara. Say it correctly, say it correctly.
Barbara Solorzano.
Okay, I tried to say it my best. My Spanish still gonna need a little bit of work, un poquito. Today we're gonna be doing 1 or 2 looks, not 100% sure. But stay tuned and you'll see. And let's just get straight to it. I'll put all her socials down below and on the screen right now. And that's it. Let's get to it. All right, so let's do some standing up first.
Okay.
Like full bodies. We'll do some of the front, side, and then the back, and then we'll do some of the ones that I want, like on the floor. Today I'm using my trusted reflector. So I'm using the sunlight. It's right over here to bounce back at her. As you can see, makes a huge difference. I still want a little bit of shadows, just because I like to make it dramatic. And let's get into it. So I have you pose. You can do some with your hand in the hair, some with your hand on the bikini, in the middle. 2 and 1. Perfect, yes. 3, 2, 1. Eyes here. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. 2 and 1. Now put both legs. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2 and 1. You see I'm using a little bit of the shadow. And then eyes over there. Amazing. 3, 2, perfect. And then eyes here. Yes. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Switching it up really quick so I can get more detail. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I like that. All right, let's do a detail shot. 3, 2 and 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I want you to do that, but give me more of the side like that.
This?
Yep.
What?
But let me see this list.
This way?
Yep. So face this way. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes, hold that. Try to hold that if you can. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Move in just a little bit. Right there. Perfect. This actually looks amazing. I'm happy. 3, 2 and 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Right now the sun's coming in. It's giving her a key light, and then we have the reflector over there that is kind of filling her in on the side. Got the props right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Give me 1 legs here. This leg, point it like that. Exactly. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Then let me see the acting. Let me get a couple emotions from you. Let me get fierce first. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes, hold that. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then move the hair just a little bit. Perfect. 3, 2 and 1. Yes, perfect. I like that. 3. You can do it with this hand and then have the goggles facing me. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Perfect. Do that, but relax the shoulder and lean in a little bit. Yep, so you can have it right here. But instead of having it like here, kind of just like have it like that. Exactly. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. Let me do one from up top. Perfect. Amazing. 2, 1. Perfect. Look this way. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Kind of like playing with the hair. It's like a detail shot right here. And 1. Perfect. Yes, amazing.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Nope, that's fine. Let's just make this a little bit more visible. Bring this hand a little bit over here so it doesn't look like it's chopped off. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then let me get the eyes. There we go, right there. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Let me just move this just so I can get a little bit more on your face. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, yes, that's it right there. 3, 2, 1. Chin up just a little. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Got it. Let me show you really quick.
Oh my god. Stop it right now. Oh my god! I love those.
All right, so I just switched to the 70 to 200, and today I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using a Polar Pro 82mm. It's a polarizer, and this is the ND16. I think it's an ND and a polarizer. Don't quote me on that, but I'll put it down below just so you guys can see what a polarizer can do and why you should be using one. All right, hold that. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 2, 1. Perfect. Chin up just a little, and then here, move from the left eye. Perfect. Chin up again. Amazing. 3, 2. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then look that way. Perfect. Got it. 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Put it right back again. I was gonna take a picture just of that. 3. Try and flip it a little bit so I can see the front right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Got it. These look great.
Okay, I'm gonna keep wetting my hair.
That's fine. Perfect. These look crazy. Yes, amazing. 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Do that and lift some water. Yes. And then try and keep the back as straight as possible. Perfect.
workout.
Of course it is. Everything is. That's perfect right there. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Hold that right there. Amazing. And now do the hair. You're gonna like these. Perfect. And then lean a little bit forward. Yes, just like that. Hold that. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And now we're gonna do wetting the hair. All right, so for this, let me get some detail shots of like the orange and stuff first. So you can have it like right here with the knife. Yes. 2 and 1. Go for it. Perfect. And 1. Perfect. It's 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Perfect.
That's sweet.
All right, 3, 2. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. 3, 2. Perfect. Hold that. Three, 2, and 1. Once you do that, look this way. I'm gonna go over here a little. Perfect. Look off to that way. Amazing. That actually looks perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Yes, amazing. And then eyes here. Yes.
So that was today's shoot. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Barbara Solorzano. You can find me in social media as Barbara Solorzano. I'm like that in every single platform. Also, my socials are going to be listed down below. If you like this video, share it, comment, let Alain know that you want to see me again on his YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it.